Hey guys, welcome back to the Edimakor channel. Need to add subtitles to your video? With HitPaw Edimakor, you have multiple ways to get it done. First, import your video and drag it to the timeline. Then, open the Subtitles panel to get started. If your video already has dialogue, simply choose Auto Subtitling. Edimakor will recognize the speech and automatically create subtitles for you. Already have a subtitle file? No problem. Select Local Subtitles and import your SRT, LRC, ASS, or VTT file directly into your project. You can also add subtitles manually, one line at a time. Or, if you already have a script, paste your text and let Edimakor split it into individual subtitle lines. Once your subtitles are added, you can quickly check them on the timeline and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, export your video with subtitles, or save the subtitles separately as a subtitle file. That's it. This is Edimakor Guide. Create with ease, edit like a breeze.